morning everyone. This is the example of the logarithm curve y is equal to a b raised to the power x. And here we are given in the value of x and the value of y. The value of x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And the value of y is 1, 1.2, 1.8, 2.5, 3.6, 4.7, 6.6 and 9.1, and our curve is y is equal to a b raised to the power x. So first we convert this logarithm curve into the straight line equation. So here y is equal to a b raised to the power x. So first we taking the logarithm on both the sides. So we write here log y base e is equal to log a base e plus log base e b raised to the power x. We have already seen in our previous lecture how we are taking the logarithm on both the sides, and here we write log y base e is equal to log a base e, and this is the power of b raised to the power x. So we take here x and log base e small b. Next step is what? Consider all these values in the capital letter form according to their small letter. So we taking the log base e small y is equal to capital Y, log base e small a is equal to capital A, small x is equal to capital X because of here small x is unknown, and log base e small b is equal to capital B. Okay, put all these values in this equation. So this equation converting to the capital Y is equal to a plus b x. Got it? This is our straight line equation. So first we convert this curve into the straight line form. So after solving this curve, we take the two normal equation. Summation y is equal to na plus b summation x. This is the first normal equation. And the second normal equation is what? Summation xy is equal to a summation x plus b summation x square. So this is a two normal equation. So according to this two normal equation, we map the table. That means what? Our question given in the small x, small y, small a and small b form. But we convert into the capital letter. So our normal equation is already defined in the straight line equation. So our normal equation is also we write this in the capital letter form. So our table first we write the capital X and capital Y. So here we write the capital X and capital Y. So first we check the small x is equal to capital X. That means what? This column is the small x column. So we write here as it is. That means copy here as it is. So capital X is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Because of here small x is equal to capital X. But here we write the capital Y. So capital Y is equal to what? ln y or log base e. So in our calculator we use the ln. If we find the best 10 value, then we use the log in our calculation. Okay. So here the value of y converting to the capital Y. So first we take the ln 1, ln 1.2, ln 1.8, ln 2.5, ln 3.6, ln 4.7, ln 6.6 and ln 9.1, and after this we write this values. Next column is x square and last column is x into y. After mapping this table, we find the summation x, summation y, summation x into y and summation x square. So first we map the table, we write here small x value, we copy here the capital X ln1 0.0, ln 1.2 0.1823, ln 1.8 0.5878, ln 2.5 0.9163, ln 3.6 1.2809, ln 4.7 1.5476, ln 6.6 1.8871, and ln 9.1 is equal to 2.2083. So this is the column of capital Y. Next column is the x square. So this is the capital X column. So we square and find the value of x square. So 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, and 8 square 64. And our last column is x into y. So this is our column of x and this is the column of y. So we multiply both the values. So we get 1 into 0, that means 0. 2 into 0.1823, that means 0.3646. 3 into 0.5878 is equal to 1.7634. 4 into 0.9163 is equal to 3.6652, and 5 into 1.2809, so 6.4045, 6 into 1.5476, 9.2856, 7 into 1.8871 is equal to 13.2097, and the last value is 8 into 2.2083 is equal to 17.6664. So first we map the table. After that, the sum of all these values according to our normal equation. So here the sum of this column is summation x is equal to 36. The column of summation y is 8.6103. The summation of x square is equal to 204, and the summation of x into y is equal to 52.3594. So our next step is what? Our next step is we put all these values in our normal equation, and after solving this two equation we get the value of capital A and capital B. Put all these values in our normal equation. So our first normal equation is summation y is equal to NA plus B summation x, and the second normal equation is summation xy is equal to A summation x plus B summation x square. So we put all these values. So summation y is equal to 8.6103 and is equal to number of terms. So we have total the number of terms is equal to 8. So we write here 8a plus b summation x, and the summation x is 36. So we write here 36b. Second equation is summation x into y. So the value of summation x into y is 52.3594 is equal to a summation x. The value of summation x is 36. So we write here 36a plus b summation x square. So summation x square is equal to 204b. Okay. So after solving these two equations, we get the value of capital A and capital B. So capital A is equal to minus 0.3823 and capital B is equal to 0.3241. But this is not our final answer because our question given a y is equal to a b raised to the power x. So we need the value of small a and small b, but here we get the value of capital A and capital B. So we convert these values in the small a and small b. So what is the process? Process is that we consider log base e small a is equal to capital A, okay, and log base logarithm on both the sides, then we consider every small letter into the capital letter. So in the log A, base E is equal to capital A, and the log B, base E is equal to capital B. So here put the value of capital A. So log A base E is equal to minus 0.3823. Got it? So here we find the value of A. Then in the calculation we write here e raised to the power minus 0.3823. So we get the small a is equal to 0.6823. Okay, so same right here is it as it is. So log small b base e is equal to what? The value of capital B is 0.3241. So for finding the value of small b in the calculation, we find the e raised to the power 0.3241. So we get the value of small b is equal to 1.3828. Okay, so we get the value of small a and small b. So put value of a and b in our given curve. So our final answer is what? Our final answer is y is equal to a. That means 0.6823. This is the value of a. Into b. The value of b is 1.3828 and whole raised to the power x. So this is our final answer. Okay. So this is the example of the curve y is equal to a b raised to the power x. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.